Consistency doesn't work. Today is one of those days where we are going to have a YouTube reality check because I do feel like so many YouTubers come on here and they encourage you and then they want you to buy their course and they want to teach you. And I feel like YouTube can become a little bit of a MLM. I don't know if you've noticed that. I definitely have. But what I'm here to say today is consistency does not equal success. It doesn't. I've done it. I have been consistent. My first channel, here's my second channel, my mommy channel all about mommy stuff. We're now at month 20 when I record this. Before I know it, I'm going to be at 2 years. And I'm not seeing success at all, in my opinion. Now, obviously, success is different to everyone, but for me, I do want to be monetized. That is the truth. I want some money coming in every month, even if it's just $100. I want something to come in for all my efforts, and I would like to get to that point. So I want to get to my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And right now, a little under 2 years of this first channel, I am at 184 subscribers. And ironically enough, I believe I'm at 284 watch hours. 84 and 84. I'm not even close to reaching monetization. Every now and then I have a video that does like decent, but decent for me still is not decent enough. I've been consistent. Right now, let me put on the screen. These are the longs I have done every month. So long form videos. Now I'm going to put on the screen the shorts I have done every month. Now, you do see some ups and downs. You may argue that's not consistent. My point when I say consistent is I've never stopped and I've never done less than 4 long videos in a month. I at least have posted once a week. And when I say consistent, I'm also saying I make a content calendar and say we're in the month of January, I'll make my content calendar for February. I always hit everything on the calendar. Now, one month I might only put 4 videos on there, and then a different month I might have put 6 or even 8, but I follow through with my plan. I have stayed consistent. I've also never taken a break. How many YouTubers do you see that are finding success that have taken a break? They say, I took off about 6 months and then I came back and then it went crazy. Makes me want to take a break sometimes because I'm like, I don't know if taking these breaks give them clarity or when they come back, they are better or they realize what they were missing, because clearly I am missing something because it's not working. It's not happening. And I just want to warn you, don't fall into the trap of thinking, well, if I stay consistent, I'll get there. I think for a lot of people, the answer to that could be yes. Eventually one video will pop off and you might do better. But I've also seen people that they're on YouTube for 5 years or even longer and they've been consistent and they're not getting there. Consistency is not a free pass. Consistency does not hand you success. And I really hoped it would. I have been working hard. I'm not saying I haven't been working hard, but I think I've been working hard at being busy and I've been a hamster on a wheel, and I'm constantly working on my YouTube channels. I am hustling, but I don't know if I'm hustling in a smart way. I don't know if I'm making the right moves. I'm making a lot of them and I'm go, 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 but maybe it is time to slow down and focus and figure out what is working, what is not working, improve those titles, improve those thumbnails. I do think sometimes we need to slow down. And I see this argument as well with consistency and the phrase more at bat. The more at bats you have, the more chance you have of success. That is true. However, if you just keep throwing spaghetti at the wall, you're never going to end up with a pot roast. You know what I mean? Like it's not necessarily going to work. If you just keep going and going and going and being consistently bad, you're just being bad. You need to make those improvements. You need to learn. You need to grow. I think it is very important what people say about every video you publish, trying to make it 1% better. Now, I do think batching can be a little bit counterintuitive to this. I am a fan of batching, but it can slow down your growth if you record 4 videos exactly the same. So be careful on that. Watch out for making sure you are growing still and learning from those videos and continuing to elevate your content or your presentation of your content. Don't come on here and be consistently bad. Work on getting consistently better. And finally, like I said, consistency does not equal success on YouTube. I've been consistent. These are some of my numbers. I'm not there. I'm just simply not there. I'm not getting even close to monetization. Honestly, monetization is tough. So if you want to hear a little bit more about how gosh darn hard it actually is to get monetized on YouTube, click this next video coming up on the screen now. If you don't see it there, it will be linked in the description. I do wish you all the luck and all the best in your YouTube journey. However, I do think we got to keep it real and acknowledge that it is hard.